Welcome to two projects. In this video, we are going to explain the project blockchain based eVault for legal records. Before diving into the execution, let me give you an overview of the project. So, in today's digital world, keeping legal records safe is very important for maintaining trust and accountability in legal processes. Traditional methods of doing this, of storing legal records in centralized servers, face issues such as vulnerability to tampering, which means unauthorized changes to important documents. These changes can compromise the integrity and reliability of legal records, causing confusion and distrust in the system. So, to overcome this problem, the project proposes using blockchain technology, which provides a secure and transparent way to store records. By decentralizing data storage and using encryption to protect information, blockchain ensures that legal records remain unchanged and trustworthy, improving the reliability and integrity of legal document management. Now we'll know about blockchain. So, blockchain is like a digital ledger where each entry, called a block, is linked to the previous one, forming a chain. It has many advantages. It is decentralized, meaning data isn't stored in one place, making it safer. Each block is encrypted, making it hard to tamper with or hack. So, this transparency and security mean that once something is recorded in the blockchain, it can't be easily changed, making it immutable. And even if some parts of the network fail, others keep the data safe. So, the blocks in the blockchain are stored in different computers or nodes. So, even if one computer is failed, the data is safe in other computers, making it resilient to failures. So these are the advantages of blockchain. And there are many types of blockchain like Ethereum, Stellar, Ripple, Bitcoin, etc. We are using Ethereum in this project. So we are using Ethereum because it supports smart contracts, which help streamline processes like storing and retrieving hash addresses, ensuring data integrity without a central authority. Ethereum's decentralized setup boosts security by spreading data across many nodes, making tampering tough. And we are also integrating Ganache and MetaMask in this project. So, Ganache acts as a personal blockchain for Ethereum development. It is user friendly, letting us deploy smart contracts, run tests, and check blockchain states. Ganache tracks accounts, transactions, and smart contracts, giving detailed information for debugging and accuracy. It simplifies monitoring by letting developers access and analyze specific block information. Coming to MetaMask, MetaMask is an Ethereum wallet and browser extension that makes managing cryptocurrency easy. In this project, it ensures secure Ethereum transactions and displays ETH deduction for transparency. Overall, the project uses blockchain to keep legal records safe. With Ethereum, we store records across many places, making them harder to lose. And blockchain's encryption protects records from changes. It also checks previous records using hashing to make sure they are real. This keeps legal records trustworthy and secure, making our system better than traditional methods. So, beneficiaries include government agencies, legal entities, and individuals who will benefit from improved data integrity, resilience against cyber threats, and streamlined legal processes, fostering trust and efficiency in the legal system. So, this is about the project. This is the overview. Now, we'll look at the software and hardware requirements to execute this project. Software requirements are Python IDLE of 3.7.0 version, Node.js, Visual Studio Community version, Ganache, and MetaMask Chrome extension. Backend languages used are Python, JavaScript, and Solidity. Framework used is Django. Frontend languages used are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4. And hardware requirements our processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, and ROM of 20 GB and above. Now we look at the execution. Before execution, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. So this is the code folder and these are the contents I have in the code folder. This is Vault folder. Inside this folder are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. This is Vault app folder. So this folder comprises a static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. And Vault app folder also contains a templates folder. Within this folder, we'll find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. And it also contains Python code files that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is eVault SOL file. So this file consists of Solidity code. It handles data structures, functions, and events with modifiers for validation. This is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. And this is run.bat file. Instead of executing the program through command line interface, we have created Windows batch file to execute the project. So by double clicking on it, we can compile the manage.py file. But before that, first we need to host the Ganache server. Open Ganache. So I have already created a workspace for eVault. Click on it. So we can see the server has been hosted. Minimize this. Now double click on the run.bat file to start the Django application. So here the manage.py file is compiled. The Django framework will host the application locally at the default address, local host, and port unless configured differently. This is the local host. This is the local host, and this is the port. Now copy the local link provided by the framework. I'm copying it and paste it into any web browser. I usually prefer Chrome. After pasting it, type index.html at the end and hit the enter button. So the home page of the project has been displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Django framework. So here we can see admin login and check legal document vault links. Click on admin login link. Here we have to give the credentials, username and password of admin. These are static credentials. Now click on login button. We have logged in as admin. Here we can see add legal document, view documents list, and logout links. Click on add legal document link. Here admin can add new legal document to the system. So we can store a legal document, a confidential document to the system. So we have to fill in these details and we have to upload a file here, the document which we want to store. We have to upload it here and click on the submit button. So all these details and the document will be stored in blockchain in a form of block. So document name would be rent affidavit. Document type is affidavit. Description is rent agreement between landlords and tenants. Person name would be Raghu. We have to give the address, the phone number. Criminal record number is none. UID number. And now we have to upload the document here. Click on choose file. Select the document which we want to store and click on open button. This is the file. Now click on submit button. So we can see the document and the document details have been stored in blockchain in a form of block. We can see the block data here. We can see the transaction hash, the block number in which these details are being stored, the block hash, gas used. So we can see all the details about the block and the transaction. And in Ganache, we can see a block has been created. So in this block, all these document details and the document are stored. So we can retrieve the data from here. We can see the date and time at which the data is stored. We can see the gas used for this transaction. Minimize this, and in the MetaMask, click on the Chrome extension. Here we have to give the password. So here we can see I have a balance of 99.969 ETH in the MetaMask wallet, which represents the deducted amount after recent transactions. So in the context of a blockchain, transactions refer to the actions or operations that are recorded on the blockchain ledger. Now click on View Documents List link. So here, admin can view all the documents, the list of documents stored in blockchain. So we can see there are two documents stored by the admin in the blockchain. So we can see all the details, document name, document type, description, document belongs to, and other details. And here in the last column, we can see a click here link. By clicking on it, admin can download the document, and only admin can download the document. Normal users can only see the legal document details, but they cannot download the document. So I'm clicking on the click here link of Raghu. So we can see the file has been downloaded. This is the document which I have stored in the blockchain. So only admin can download the document. Now click on logout. Click on check legal document vault link. So here users can enter any string such as person's name, document name, UID number, or other text to search. So the input will be matched with available documents on the blockchain and the results will be displayed. So I am giving the string as Raghu. Now click on submit button. So here we can see there is one record found. So this legal document is associated with the name Raghu. We can see all the details. So we can see only the details of the document. We cannot download the document. We can see the document name, the type, description, to whom the document belongs to, address, phone number, criminal record, UID number, and the upload date and time. Now click on logout. Click on check legal document vault link. This time we'll try giving rent affidavit. Now click on submit button. So we can see there are two records found with the document name rent affidavit. So we can only see the details. We cannot download these documents. Only admin can download these documents. Now click on logout. And in MetaMask, we can see my ETH balance remains unchanged after each block creation because the project's actions don't involve significant ETH transfers. This is normal as not all operations lead to substantial balance changes. So we can see in the Ganache blocks have been created. Now click on any block. So here we can see the block hash, the transaction hash, gas used, gas limit, mined on. Click on transaction hash. So we can see the sender address to contract address, gas used, gas price, gas limit, mined in block 11. So how many blocks were created and the transaction data. So this blockchain based e-vault for legal records ensures secure, decentralized storage and verification of legal documents, overcoming the risks of centralized systems. By utilizing Ethereum smart contracts, Ganache, and MetaMask, it enhances data security, transparency, and integrity, providing a reliable solution for managing sensitive legal information.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.